Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get YouTube Shorts to auto-scroll. Want YouTube Shorts to auto-scroll to the next video instead of manually swiping? In this video, I'll show you how to enable auto-scroll on YouTube Shorts. Just follow these few simple steps. The first step is to check if auto-scroll is enabled by default. And to do that, just open the YouTube app and go to the shorts section right here in the bottom next to home. Click on the shorts right here. Now as you can see, this short right here. Now watch a short and wait a few seconds after it ends, and if it doesn't auto scroll, you're gonna need to enable accessibility features. We're gonna see here if this shorts, see here. As you can see, the shorts repeated. That means it didn't auto scroll. Now the second step is to use an auto scroll app, or we're gonna try to enable it. Let's see how we can enable it. We're gonna have to use a YouTube. Let's access the YouTube options. Click on your profile icon to go to settings. Click on the gear icon right here. Let's see video playback. And as you can see, it's the feature you can activate this option, but it only works on videos. So if we want to auto scroll shorts, we're gonna have to use an auto scroll app, and this is on Android only. So install a free app like AutoClicker from the Google Play Store, and open AutoClicker and set up a single tap function to swipe every few seconds. And after that, start the AutoClicker before watching the shorts. The third step is to try swiping with voice commands, iPhone and Android, which is on iPhone and Android. Now on iPhone, enable voice control by going to settings and accessibility and voice control and click on enable. After that, say swipe up to move to the next short. Now on Android, use Google Assistant by saying scroll up or next video. Now for additional tips, YouTube is testing auto scroll for some users, so it may be added as built-in feature soon. And the auto clicker method works best for long binge watching sessions. Now you can make YouTube Shorts auto scroll using these tricks, so try them and enjoy hands-free shorts watching. Now if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.